Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Crypto Aussie. This is your mate Bill. Let's talk about VeThor Token. So all you VeChain and VeThor Token lovers out there, we're going to talk about VeThor. Now VeThor has been down a little bit in the last couple of days, and overall the market is down. In total, we see the Bitcoin market cap going down to 50%. Which isn't a bad thing actually. And you see most of the altcoins are going down apart from the dodgy coin as I call it. So VeThor token is down 7.6% today. Now that is not the bigger picture. If we look at the 7-day picture, it's still up 36.5%, and the 14 days is 27.9%. So nothing to panic there, guys. And before we continue, please note that this is not a financial advice. Please do your own research, and my opinions is purely based on my personal research. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on subscribe and click on that bell icon so you get more videos from me in future. Let's get started. So on 16th of April, which was 4 days ago, we hit our all-time high at 2.7 cents, or actually it was 2.75 cents. Now the reason why we hit our all-time high was because of this beautiful news. VeChain opened its doors to more users, where more people could buy VeChain and VeThor tokens. Binance announced on 16th of April that people in Europe could then, from that point onwards, buy VET and VeThor Token. Now that is great news, which is why we saw a sudden price hike going all the way from 0.18, so 1.8 cents, jumped straight up to 2.7 cents, which is a massive increase, guys. Now that is amazing, and I saw a lot of people actually message me saying their portfolios tripled to quadrupled actually, just from these gains, because in my last video I did recommend people buy VeThor tokens. And since then we've seen a bit of decline in the price. So looking at our all-time high to our lows, it went down to 1.8 cents, which kind of scared a lot of people, and there was a lot of panic selling. I would always recommend, guys, you never panic sell. If you want to trade in crypto, you have to know the market is volatile, but the wait is worth the risk, and you gotta wait to make some gains. You never sell when the market is red, you always sell when the market is green. And the opportunity is now. Let's concentrate. The opportunity that we get in the crypto market where other people sell, they panic. That is our time to buy more coins, because if you look at that, the all-time high for this year was 2.7 cents. It went down all the way to 0.0188. So 1.88 cents in a matter of 2 days. People who've actually sold here could have lost money, could have made a little bit of gain, depending on how they bought their coins. But people who actually bought the coins here, thinking that this is their opportunity to back some more coins, made a solid around 40% gain in their profits in a matter of 1 day or 1.5 days. Now that is significant. And again, if we look at the prices going down, you don't have to panic. So if we look at our Fibonacci chart, let's look at the all-time high for this year and look at the all-time low for this week, and we can see that there is a lot of resistance at 2 cents. So if we just zoom the chart a little bit, you'll be able to see that we're trading at 2 cents at the moment, and the resistance is quite good, which means we've gone down a couple of times, but we've just jumped back up again, and people are buying more VeThor tokens, and the ones that are holding are doing a great job holding their tokens. Now, what does this mean for us in future? If you look at that news again, people from Europe have started buying more VET and VeThor tokens. So they, again, this is a new market for them, which means it's going to take them a little while to come back and get back some more VET and VeThor tokens. So I would assume that only 1% of the European crypto market have just gone into buying VeThor and VeChain. There's still an opportunity for 99% of other people buying VeThor and VeChain, which means that reaction that we saw on 16th of April was nothing as compared to what I believe is yet to come. Now, price prediction. Looking at the current price at 2 cents at the moment, if we go down and just take it all the way down to the 30th, I believe we can hit our all-time high for this year within a matter of 10 days. We can go all the way down to 0.35, guys. And the reason I say that is when we last jumped, we were on the 16th of April, and we jumped all the way down from 1.8 cents to 2.7 cents. I think we can make another jump again somewhere in between tomorrow all the way down to the 30th of April. We can have another gain going all the way back up to 0.34 or 0.034 or 0.035. Now that people who are actually going to buy the tokens today, they can potentially get a 150% gain just from the price that we have today all the way up till the 30th of April. Now that gain to me is significant. And again, if we look at the current market cap, we're only sitting at around $700 million. Now that market cap is nothing, guys, as compared to some other coins, some other, I'd call them shitty, dodgy coins, where VET and VeThor Token has a real potential in the market. It is changing people's lives in the retail market. If we look at what they're actually doing, you would see there's a lot of attention currently being grabbed by VeChain. VeChain blockchain was listed in the Forbes Blockchain 50, which again is great news. And VeChain, a lot of people may or may not know, is currently being used by Walmart China. And one last thing, you got to always keep in mind that we are yet to list on Coinbase. So a majority of US market that are yet to go into VTHO, VeChain and VeThor Token have not yet got the opportunity. And I think Coinbase is just around the corner, guys. So you got to hold on to your VeThor Token. I still believe, as what I said in my last video, I still believe by the end of this year, we are yet to experience another 10x gains by end of 2021. So all the VeThor lovers, I would say hold on to your coins. Yet again, do your research. If you think it's worth selling and you don't want to take the risk, do so at your own expense. But a lot of people have come to me in comments saying they are going to hold on to their VeThor tokens until they get those 10x gains. So I'm going to take a break now, and I'm going to say by the end of 30th of April this year, our target is going to go all the way up to 3.5 cents. Stay happy, keep investing, but be careful. Once again, the market is volatile, so please, please, please do not sell your houses, do not sell your cars, and do not invest the money that you cannot afford to lose. You got to be very careful in crypto, guys. There's still a lot of gains to be made, specifically in VeThor Token, who's just got a market cap of $700 million. I still believe it can go all the way down to, all the way up to 10 to 15 billion dollars, which is very possible. Then again, I'm gonna bring you some more videos. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button, please click on the bell icon, and leave some comments down below of what you think about my analysis.